Today we're looking at the journey of Iam Tongi, the Hawaiian singer whose emotional voice and heartfelt story captured millions around the world. Rising to fame after winning American Idol in 2023, Tongi became known not just for his talent, but for the deeply personal performances that connected with audiences on a powerful level. But after the spotlight of his victory faded and the music industry moved forward, many fans have been wondering, where is Iam Tongi now? Let's find out. Iam Tongi's rise was unforgettable. During his time on American Idol, he delivered one of the most emotional auditions in the show's history. Performing Monsters by James Blunt, a tribute to his late father that brought both judges and viewers to tears. Week after week, he continued to stand out with his soulful tone and authenticity, eventually winning the competition and launching his music career. Following his victory, Tongi quickly transitioned into the professional music world. He released original music, performed at major events, and built a growing fan base both in Hawaii and internationally. His style, blending island vibes with emotional storytelling, helped him carve out a unique space in the industry. He also took to the stage for live performances, including shows across the United States and in Hawaii, where he remained especially connected to his roots and local supporters. So, where is Iam Tongi now? As of now, Iam Tongi is actively building his music career. He continues to release new music, perform live, and grow his presence as an artist. While he may not dominate headlines the way he did during American Idol, he has remained consistent, focusing on developing his sound and staying connected to his audience. He also maintains a presence on social media, where he shares updates, performances, and moments from his personal journey, allowing fans to stay closely connected to his growth. More importantly, Tongi has stayed true to what made people fall in love with him in the first place, his authenticity. Rather than chasing trends, he continues to lean into emotional storytelling and meaningful music. From a tearful audition that touched the world to a steadily growing music career, Iam Tongi's journey is still unfolding. Thanks for watching. If you want more updates on your favorite artists and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me who you want next.